Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Redmond seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Our expert team specializes in energy-efficient windows Redmond and patio doors Redmond, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. With a focus on double-pane windows Redmond, we provide solutions that reduce energy costs and improve indoor climate control. Patio door replacement is a popular service in Redmond, offering homeowners the chance to upgrade their outdoor access with stylish and functional options. Our patio door services Redmond include sliding glass doors Redmond, French doors Redmond, and other patio doors Redmond designed to complement any home style while providing easy access to outdoor spaces. Energy-efficient windows are a top priority for Redmond residents looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on utility bills. Our selection of energy-efficient windows Redmond and patio doors Redmond includes insulated windows Redmond and vinyl windows Redmond, both designed to provide superior thermal performance and durability. Double-pane windows Redmond are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. These windows, combined with patio doors Redmond, create a more comfortable and energy-efficient home environment by improving insulation and airflow. Sliding glass doors Redmond offer a sleek and modern solution for homeowners looking to maximize natural light and outdoor views. Our sliding patio doors Redmond are designed for smooth operation and durability, making them a popular choice for patio door replacement projects in the area. Window installation services Redmond are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home's openings. Our team specializes in window frame installation Redmond, glass replacement Redmond, and window sealing Redmond, ensuring your patio doors Redmond and windows remain in top condition. Custom window solutions Redmond provide homeowners the opportunity to create unique and personalized designs. Whether you're looking for bay windows Redmond, awning windows Redmond, or casement windows Redmond, we also offer custom patio doors Redmond that align perfectly with your architectural style. Vinyl windows Redmond are a popular choice for their durability, low maintenance, and energy efficiency. Pair your vinyl windows with patio doors Redmond for a cohesive, high-performing home design that enhances curb appeal and functionality. French doors Redmond add elegance and charm to any home, providing a beautiful transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Our French patio doors Redmond come in a range of styles and finishes, perfectly complementing your patio doors Redmond and window installations. Window frame installation Redmond is a critical service for maintaining the structural integrity of your home's openings. Our skilled team installs and reinforces frames for both windows and patio doors Redmond, ensuring they remain strong, secure, and long-lasting. Glass replacement Redmond is a necessary service for homeowners dealing with cracked or broken windows. Our experts also offer patio doors Redmond glass installation and replacement, ensuring your home remains both functional and beautiful. Insulated windows Redmond are designed to provide superior thermal performance, keeping your home comfortable in all seasons. When paired with insulated patio doors Redmond, they create a powerful combination that enhances energy savings and interior comfort. Window sealing Redmond is an important step in preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. We also specialize in patio doors Redmond sealing and weatherproofing, ensuring every part of your home remains airtight and protected from the elements. Looking for top-notch window installation and patio door replacement services in Redmond? Our team specializes in energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and patio doors Redmond, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Whether you need sliding glass doors or custom window solutions, we have the expertise to meet your needs. Our vinyl windows, French doors, and patio doors Redmond are perfect for enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal. Our glass replacement and insulated windows services in Redmond are designed to improve your home's energy efficiency. We offer comprehensive window sealing, patio doors Redmond installation, and storm doors solutions to protect your home from the elements. Our window hardware, bay windows, and patio doors Redmond accessories are tailored to fit any style or budget. Discover the benefits of casement windows and window screens with our expert services in Redmond. Our picture windows and patio doors Redmond options are perfect for adding elegance and natural light. We also provide window weatherproofing and patio doors Redmond maintenance, ensuring lasting performance and reliability. Our patio door services in Redmond include a wide range of options, from sliding glass doors to French patio doors Redmond. We understand the importance of durable and stylish patio doors, which is why we offer only the best products. Along with custom windows, our patio doors Redmond are built to match your home perfectly. Choose our window installation services in Redmond for all your window maintenance and patio doors Redmond needs. We specialize in window sealing, window caulking, and patio doors Redmond weatherproofing to keep your home secure and energy efficient. Our team in Redmond is dedicated to providing the best window and patio doors Redmond services in the area. From energy-efficient windows to custom patio doors, we have the expertise to handle any project. Our vinyl windows, French doors, and patio doors Redmond are designed to enhance your home's beauty, functionality, and value.